Hello students, today we'll revise the conic section for IIT JEE and with this expected question for JEE MAIN 2023. It should be our target. Hello students, today we'll revise the conic section for IIT JEE. So everyone, conic section is one of the most important part in JEE MAIN examination, and our target is that we'll try to cover maximum type for JEE MAIN examination, because in the next week we have our exam. So we have to cover parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, as well as at the end circle, all type which is possible for us. So let's start. So everybody, let's start. First of all, let x square plus y square plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0 be a circle passing through the 0, 6 and touching the parabola at 2, 4, then a plus c. This is the JEE MAIN question of 2022. So how to solve this sum? Let us start solving. We are saying that here x square plus y square plus 2 plus ax plus by plus c equal to 0 passing through the point 0, 6. So it will satisfy the equation 0, 6. So let us put it. So we have to write all possible type. Okay. So let's start with this. So this is passing through 0, 6. So 6b plus c. And remember one thing, we have to solve the sum in the easiest possible way, in easiest possible method. And the tangent to the parabola y equal to x square at 2, 4. So we know that the tangent to the parabola is what? Y equal to x square. The tangent to the parabola is x into x1 equal to half into y plus y1. Therefore, the tangent of the circle, first of all, let us get the tangent to the parabola 4x minus y equal to 4. Now the tangent to the circle, tangent of the circle at point 2, 4 is what? 2x plus 4y plus half into, because x square plus y square is x into x1, equation of the tangent, plus y into y1 plus half a plus 2x plus half y into b plus 4 plus c equal to 0. Therefore, if we just make it short, we are getting 4 plus a into x plus 8 plus b into y plus 2a plus 4b plus 2c equal to 0. So if I give the number 1 this equation and number 2 this equation, so let us equate the coefficient, because they represent the same tangent. Therefore 4 plus a by 4 equal to 8 plus b by minus 1 equal to 2a plus 4b plus 2c total divided by minus 4. Now let us just equate first two portion. If we equate first two portion, and everyone remember one thing, we have to get the calculation very fast, because after 2009 the questions are coming in JEE examination. It is not only tricky, it is calculative also. Okay, so therefore we can write this as a plus 4b equal to minus 36, and if we take these two, we are getting what? Minus 4a, so 3a plus 4b plus 2c equal to minus 4. Okay, so suppose this is 3 and this is 4, and just simple calculation of what is our target. Our target is to get a plus c. In these two equations, we are seeing that if we can eliminate 4b, so first equation is not needed. Okay, this equation is not needed, not required. So in this case, just if we calculate from these two, 3 and 4, we are getting a plus 2a plus 2c equal to 32. So a plus c equal to 16. So the answer is coming to be 16, option A. Okay. Let's go to the next sum. And everybody, this class will have that you can say this is a marathon class, so that we'll cover all the type of the conic with PYQ and expected sums for the JEE Main examination. Next sum. Next sum is given: a particle is moving in XY plane along a curve C passing through the point 33, and the tangent to the curve C at the point P meets x-axis at Q if the y-axis bisect the segment. So first of all, we have to read these and draw one rough diagram. After that, what can be done? Okay, we'll see what can be done after that. So first of all, this is the parabola, and this is the P point. P point is x comma y, and this is the Q point, and parabola is passing through 3 comma 3. So what can be done here? So y minus, suppose this is any point xy. Suppose P point is xy. So the equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equal to dy dx, that is y dashed, into x minus x1. And remember one thing, our target is to solve the sum in the shortest possible way, because it is a competitive examination. Okay, with all calculation also first. Therefore, we can write this as, putting y equal to 0, we are getting x equal to x minus y by y1. y1 is the dy dx. Therefore, the point Q is coming x minus y by y1 comma 0. So middle point of the PQ, lies on y-axis according to the question. So let us get the middle point. So x minus y by y1 plus x by 2 equal to 0 on the y-axis, x coordinate is 0. So just apply here. If we can get y1 equal to, y1 means dy dx, equal to y by 2x. Therefore 2 dx by x, sorry, just a minute. Here it is coming to be 2 dy by y equal to dx by x. If we just integrate, let us solve this by integration formula. So 2 log y equal to log x plus log k. Log k. Therefore y square equal to kx. It passes through the point 33. So instead of x and y, if we put 33, we are getting the result. So k equal to coming to be 3. Therefore the card C is what? Y square equal to 3x. So lattice rectum is 3. In y square equal to 4x, lattice rectum is 4a. So we can write this as focus is coming 3 by 4 comma 0. So we are getting the option to be A. Because in option C we are seeing that the focus is 4/3, but in this case we got the focus is 3 by 4. So option is A. Let's go to the next one. Let P1 be the parabola with the vertex 3, 2 and focus 4, 4, and P2 be the mirror image with respect to the line x plus 2y equal to 6. Then the directrix of the P2 is this. First of all, we have to get the directrix of the P1. How to get the directrix of the P1? So let us calculate. One rough diagram. So here this is 4, 4 and this is coming to be 3, 2. So A equal to, no, this is coming 3, 2 is the vertex here given, na? Yes. So this is 3, 2. So this is A. So we are getting A equal to root over a square plus b square, that is A equal to root 5. Now we have to get the foot. Anyhow, we have to get the directrix of the P1. So in this case, we have to write that if it is alpha beta directrix, we are getting at 3 equal to alpha plus 4 by 2 and 2 equal to beta plus 4 by 2. Therefore, alpha beta is coming what? Alpha beta is coming to be 2 comma 0. Now equation of the directrix P1. Equation of the directrix of, this is P1. Directrix of P1. So directrix of P1 is coming what? Y minus y1 equal to minus half into x minus x1. Y minus half, the reason is that directrix is perpendicular to the axis. So we can get here directrix is x plus 2y equal to 2. We got it here. Now we have to just see one thing. This is, then the directrix of the PQ is this. Acha, mirror image is x plus 2y equal to 6. Now directrix is x plus 2y equal to 2. Therefore, it should be, the directrix of P2 should be equidistant from them. So it should be x plus 2y equal to 10. So this answer is coming to be 10. Not always calculation. We have to solve the sum with some common logic also. Let's do the next sum. If y equal to m1x plus c1, y equal to m2x plus c2, with the two common tangents of the circle and the parabola, then the value of 8 mod m1 m2 is equal to. How to solve this sum? So 1 is the circle and 1 is the parabola. Their common tangent is this. So let's get the common tangent for parabola y equal to mx plus a by m, in this case 1 by 4m. So tangent to the circle is same. So distance from the center equal to radius. That should be the term. So 1 by 4m c by root over 1 plus m square equal to root 2. Therefore, we can say 1 equal to 32 m square plus 32 m to the power 4. So if we solve it here, it is a quadratic equation in m square. So let us solve. So m square equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. And you just see one thing, that we have to do the calculation very fast. Calculation should be very fast. So let us apply 8 into 4 whole square plus 4 into 8 total divided by 2 into 32. So under this calculation, m square equal to what? Minus b, if we cancel 32, if we take 8 common from here, we are getting 3 root 2 plus minus 3 root 2 minus 4 by what is coming? Plus minus 3 root 2 minus 4 by 8. Therefore, m square is coming 3 root 2 minus 4 by 8. So there are two values of m equal to plus minus root over of 3 root 2 minus 4 by 8. Okay, so 8 mod m1 m2 equal to 3 root 2 minus 4. Let us go to the next sum. The sums are not very tough, but problem is that there is some calculation in this sum. Let's go to the next sum. Let normal at the point P of the parabola y square equal to 6x passing through the point 5 comma minus 8 if the tangent at P to the parabola intersect its directrix at the point Q. So what is the value? What to do? So let us draw this. Let us draw the diagram. Normal at the point P of the parabola y square equal to 6x pass through the point 5 comma minus 8. So draw the diagram here. Pass through the point 5 comma minus 8. It means suppose this is the normal and passing through the 5 comma minus 8. Suppose this is 5 comma minus 8, and in this case meeting the directrix of the Q at the point. So this is the Q. So this is coming. Since it is a directrix, so directrix is x equal to minus a. Therefore, we can write this as Q point is minus 3 by 2 comma y. Therefore, equation of the normal is, in this case, equation of the normal is y plus tx equal to 280 plus 80 cube. So a equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, just put the value here. What we are getting? Y plus tx equal to 3t plus 3 by 2 t cube. Okay, just some calculation is needed to solve this type of sums. So we are getting here minus 8 equal to minus 5t plus 3t plus 3 by 2 t cube. Therefore, we can write this 3t cube minus 4t plus 16 equal to 0. So this is the cubic equation. So better if we solve by the heat and trial method. Therefore, by heat and trial method, put t equal to 1 not satisfying, t equal to minus 1, obviously it will not satisfy, t equal to 2 not satisfying, t equal to minus 2 is the case. So t equal to minus 2 here. So coordinate of the P point, the point P is, coordinate of the P is what? Here. Suppose this is P, 80 squared to 80. So coordinate of the P is 6 comma minus 6. And so we can write this as equation of the tangent is y into y1 equal to m into x plus x1. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is x plus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. So put x equal to minus 3 by 2. We are getting this point to be r is coming to be minus 3 by 2 comma minus 9 by 4. So Q point, the ordinate is minus 9 by 4. Okay, there are some calculation in these sums, but remember one thing everybody, that conic section, Codian geometry carries about 30 to 36% marks generally with respect to the last 3 years result. So let us better revise with the conic section. Next one. If the vertex of the parabola is 2 comma minus 1 and equation of the directrix is 4x minus 3y equal to 21, then length of the lattice rectum. This is very simple sum. This sum is very simple sum. So what can be done here? Vertex is given and equation of the directrix is given. So vertex to directrix is A, vertex to focus is also A. So therefore we can write this as, here it is what to do? A equal to perpendicular distance, that 8 plus 3 minus 21, directly I am doing this, total divided by 5. Therefore 10 by 5 equal to 2. So there are some sums which are very basic and there are some sums we have to solve first. Next one. Let P y square equal to 4ax be a parabola with the focus S, and let tangent to P makes angle of pi by 4 with the line y equal to 3x plus 5 touch the parabola at the point A and B. So then the value of A for which A, B and S are collinear. So this type of question is related to the basic principle of the, yes, Kunal, you have written lattice rectum will be the 4a. Yes, this sum is case of lattice rectum. First of all, we have to know one thing. First of all, we have to see what? That the line is given y equal to 3x plus 5. So this is 3, suppose this is m, and it makes an angle pi by 4. Obviously it's a lattice rectum case. Okay, so then also let us check once that the angle between the tangents. So in this case, 1 equal to plus minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So if we take the plus, we are getting minus 2, and if we take the minus, we are getting half. So the tangents are perpendicular, then obviously it is a lateral sector. So there collinear, and the value of A should be always greater than 0. So the option number 4 is option. It means everybody, we have to study the shortest possible way. It means for this, what you have to do, this is the nothing but theoretical part. Okay, mainly for conic section, it is important that the theoretical part. Next one. The equation of the common tangent to the parabola and another parabola. This type of sums are very common everybody. So let's solve it. The equation of the tangent to y equal to x square. For y equal to x square, the equation of the tangent is tx equal to y plus at square. In this case, a equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, y equal to tx minus t square by 4. So this is a number 1, and solving this with the another parabola is y equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. So if we solve this, we are getting tx plus minus t square by 4 equal to minus of x minus 2 whole square. Therefore, we can write this as x square plus x into t minus 4 minus t square by 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, in this case, discriminant equal to 0. So for this discriminant to be 0, we have to write what to be done? That is t, what is having t minus 4 whole square minus 4 into 4 minus t square by 4 equal to 0. Therefore, t square minus 8t plus 16 minus 16 plus t square equal to 0. Therefore, t square minus 4t equal to 0. So t equal to 0 or 4. So from this equation, tx equal to y plus at square. From this equation, we can just put the value. The final answer is y equal to 4 into x minus 1. Let's go to the next sum. We have to cover the maximum possible sums for conic section. And whatever we are seeing, sometimes short questions, sometimes tricky question, main target is that we have to study the theoretical part. Next sum. This equation, Aditya, you have written, how did we get the equation number 1? This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent. Next. Let P be a point on the parabola y square equal to 8x such that the tangent at P passes through the center of the circle this. Let A be the product of all possible values of A and B be the product of all possible values of B, then the value of A plus B is. How to solve this sum? So, what to do here? Tangent at P. Suppose this is 80 square to 80, and just I am drawing one rough diagram. So tangent at P 80 square to 80 is ty equal to x plus 80 square. So it passes through the point 5,7. So we can write this as 7t equal to 5 plus 2t square. So if we solve this, 2t square minus 7t plus 5 equal to 0, we are getting t equal to 1 and or 5 by 2. Therefore, the point P is, when t equal to 1, the point P is 2, 4. And when t equal to 5 by 2, the point P is 80 square to 80. So, A equal to 2 here. A equal to 2 here. So, it is coming 25 by 2, 10. Therefore, A means A means 2 into 25 by 2, that is 25, and B means what? 2 product, that is 4 into 10 equal to 40. Therefore, A plus B equal to 40 plus 25 equal to 65. Sum is over. Not very hard question, but you have to calculate something first. Let's go to the next one. If the length of the lattice term of a parabola whose focus is A comma A and the tangent at the vertex, it is very basic sum, everyone. Very basic sum it is. So what to be done here? A comma A, this is P, so P equal to mod P equal to A by root 2, that is coming 16 by 4, that is equal to 4, so mod A equal to 4 root 2. So here it is option number C. So in this type of cases, the sum is very easy and very short. But we should expect for the conic section that we have to study that short process, short notes, which is given to you. Let's go to the next one. Two tangent lines L1 and L2 are drawn from point 2, 0 to the parabola to y square equal to minus x if the line L1 and L2 also the tangent to the circle, then 17R. It means tangent lines L1 and L2, suppose one is L1 and one is L2, and the parabola is y square equal to minus x by 2. So where 4a equal to half, a equal to actually minus 1 by 8. A is negative. Now, y square equal to minus x by 2. So, y equal to mx plus a by m, actually minus 8 by m. And this tangent is passing through 2, 0. It means if we put 2, 0, we are getting m equal to plus minus 1 by 4. Therefore, this is one tangent is x minus, I am taking one value 4y minus 2 equal to 0. And this is also the tangent to the circle whose center is coming what? Here it is 5, 0 and radius is root r. Radius is root r. Therefore, we can write this as distance from the center equal to radius 5 minus 0 minus 2 by root over 17 equal to root r. So, 17r equal to 9. Sorry, so. Today we'll finish the maximum part of the conic section, and at the end we'll start the circle, and it is a long class, and we'll finish the total preparation for our JEE on conic section. Let us go to the next one. Let the tangent to the parabola y square equal to 2x at the point 2, 2 meets the x-axis at Q, and the normal at it meet the parabola S at the point R, then the area of the triangle PQR is equal to. So first of all, let us draw one comfortable diagram. Let us draw one comfortable diagram. Suppose P is this QR and this is the point Q. Okay, so the equation of the tangent to the parabola y square equal to 2x at point 2, 2 is given by y into y1 equal to 2a into x plus x1. So it is coming y into 2 equal to 2 into half into x plus 2, because a equal to half here. So 2y equal to x plus 2. So this is the number 1 equation. Equation 1 meets the x-axis at q. Okay, so q is 2 minus 2 comma 0. If you these all are the related to the basic principles of the conic section. Okay, and the number of the normal to the in this case equation of the normal to the parabola at this point 2 comma 2 is what? Y minus 2, this is perpendicular to the tangent, y minus 2 equal to minus 2 into x minus 2. Therefore, we are getting y equal to 6 minus 2x. Now we have to find the area. Suppose this is a number 2. So, this equation 2 meets the y square equal to 2x at r. So, let us solve. We are solving y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. If we solve y equal to minus 3 comma 2, therefore, r point is coming to be 9 by 2 comma minus 3. Now we have to get the area. If we apply, there are a number of ways to apply. We can apply determinant form. Otherwise, we can apply the normal way also. So, half, what is coming? That is 2, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, 1, 9 by 2, minus 3, 1. And if we just open the determinant, or you can do half x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2, as you think better. Directly also we can do this. So, half 2 into 0 plus 3, if I open the determinant, or half x1 into y2 minus y3, any process you can apply. So, minus 2 into minus 2 minus 9 by 2 plus 6. What is coming this result? So, we are getting 2 into 3, 6, 9 by 2 plus 2, 4.5, plus 2, 6.5, 13 by 2, plus 6, it means 25 by 2 is the final answer. Okay. Let's do the next one. And our target today is to complete the conic section for JEE 2023. Next one. Let parabola P be such that its vertex and focus lie on the positive x-axis at a distance 2 and 4 units from the origin. Remember, these all sums are just simple properties on the properties of the parabola. Okay, and if the tangents are drawn from O to the parabola P at S and R, then the area of SOR is equal. So first of all, here let us drop this. Focus lie on the x-axis at a distance 2 and 4. Vertex 2 and 4. It means everybody we can see, just seeing this we can see that. Let us draw the diagram. We can see that y-axis is the directrix here. Here y-axis is the directrix, and if we just draw the parabola here, if we draw the parabola, what is coming here? This is 2 comma 0, this is 2 comma 0, this is 4 comma 0, right? And this is a 0 0. So length, clearly this is the latus rectum. Therefore length of the latus rectum LL dash equal to 4a, that is 4 into 2 equal to 8. Therefore area of SOR, this is O, this is S, this is R. Area of SOR is coming what? Half base into altitude, half, suppose focus is F, half OF into RS. Therefore half area of SOR equal to half into 2a into 8, and this is coming 8 into 2, that is coming to be 60. Let's go to the next one. So we are seeing that parabola ellipse is very frequent for entrance examination. Okay. Next one. If three normals drawn to the parabola y square equal to 2x pass through the point A0, then A must be greater than. So This is a co-normal point. Three normals are drawn from any point. This is a co-normal point. Okay, and then we got y square equal to 2x. Right. So the equation of the normal is what? Y equal to, here a equal to half given. So y equal to mx minus m cube by 3. So it is coming to be 2mx minus m. So 2mx plus minus 2m minus m cube total divided by, sorry, it is 2 here, by 2. So it passes through the point a comma 0, right? So yes, a comma 0, it will satisfy the equation 2ma minus 2m minus m cube equal to 0. So if I straighten the equation, m cube plus 2m into 1 minus a. So this is the cubic equation in m. So it has 3 roots, m1, m2, m3. So sum of the roots, m square is not present here. So sum of the root is 0. So we are getting here sum of the root is coming to be 0. Sum of the m1 is 0 and sum of the m1, m2 equal to, actually minus b by a plus c by a minus d by it will be going like this. So 2 into 1 minus a and product of the 3, m1, m2, m3, there is no constant term here. So it is coming to be 0. Now we can say, therefore we can say that m1 square plus m2 square plus m3 square equal to greater than 0 obviously. So we can say here summation of a1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, okay, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 ab plus bc plus c. In this way we can write this as, so it's m square minus 2 summation of m1 m2, which is must be greater than 0. So 0 minus 2 into what is coming here, 2 into 1 minus a must be greater than 0. So 4 into 1 minus a less than 0. So a less than a greater than 1. In this way, we are seeing that some sums here. If we know this, all these calculations, that co-normal points calculation, then the sum becomes very much easier. Okay. Next up, let C be the locus of the mirror image of a point y square equal to 4x with respect to the line y equal to x. Then the equation of the tangent to C at point P2, 1. What to do? First of all, equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4x. So curve C is the mirror image with respect to y equal to x. Y equal to x means what? Let us interchange x and y. So x square equal to 4y. This is the equation of the curve C. This is the curve C. Equation of the curve C. Now, this is the equation of the curve C. Now let's do one thing, differentiating. Let's differentiate 2x equal to 4 into dy dx. Therefore, dy dx 2, 1 is coming to be 1. So the equation of the tangent at 2, 1 is y minus y1 equal to 1 into x minus x1. Therefore, x minus y equal to 1. Sum is over. So we are seeing that sum is coming very easy and sum is coming something lengthy calculation, but every concept is not very tough. Next sum. The locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining the focus of the parabola to a moving point of the parabola is another parabola whose directrix we have to find out. So let us draw one rough diagram. Focus is a, 0, point P is 80 square 280. Aim point whose locus is needed. This is the parabola whose directrix is needed for us. So this is the middle point. Aim is the middle point. So we can write this as h equal to at square plus a by 2 and k equal to 2at plus 0 by 2. Therefore, t square equal to 2h minus a by a and t equal to what is coming here? K by a. Therefore, we can write this as just eliminate t on the both side. We are getting k square by a square, just t square and put it here. Therefore, if we eliminate, we are getting k square by a square equal to what is coming here? 2h minus a by a. Therefore, k square equal to a into 2h minus a. Therefore, locus of the hk, instead of h and k, put the value x and y. So, we are getting y square equal to 2a into x minus a by 2, which is a parabola, and whose directrix? Directrix of the parabola. In this case, this directrix of the parabola is what? X minus a by 2 equal to minus a by 2. Therefore, x equal to 0 is the directrix of the parabola. So, option number is coming to be B. Let us do the next sum. Let P be a point on the parabola y equal to x square plus 4 and which is closest to the straight line y equal to 4x minus 1, then the coordinate of the P. We have to find the coordinate of the P. So what to be done? P is the point on the parabola y equal to x square plus 4. Y equal to x square plus 4 means it is shifted 4 times. Just plus 4 times it is shifted. It is lifting up. So we can write this as, and this is y equal to 4x minus 1 is this curve, and this is coming y equal to 4x. What is the curve? Y equal to 4x minus 1, and the curve is y equal to x square plus 4. I have drawn on rough diagram. Let P is a point x1 by 1. Let P is a point x1 by 1, and everybody, we have to solve the sum very fast. For this, one rough diagram is very much needed. Okay, so in this case we can write y1 equal to x1 square plus 4, because y equal to x square plus 4. So this is number 1, and equation of the line is y equal to 4x minus 1. So y minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So the shortest distance from P is, it is perpendicular distance y1 minus 4x1 plus 1 by root over s square plus b square root over 17. This is coming. Let us put the value y1 as 4x1 minus 1. y1 equal to 4x1 minus 1. So if we put the value, we are getting x1 square. So let us give the mod here, since distance, x1 square plus 4 minus 4x1 plus 1 by root over of 17. So we are getting, just absorb all the x to become whole square. So x1 minus 2 whole square plus 1 by root over of 17. So we are getting, which will be minimum when x1 equal to 2. So y1 equal to 2 square plus 4, that is 8. Therefore the required point is 2, 8. Let us see where is the 2, 8 point. This is option number C. Then the main thing, whatever we are saying, that sum is okay, solving sum to okay, but the thing is that it is nothing but the calculation. Okay, next one. A tangent is drawn to the parabola y equal to 6x, which is perpendicular to 2x plus y equal to 1, and which is not lying on it. A tangent is drawn to the parabola y square equal to 6x, which is perpendicular to this line. So if you ready, slope of the tangent, it is very easy. Slope of the tangent is what? Is perpendicular to this line. So slope of the tangent is half, and equation of the tangent in the slope form y square equal to 6x, that is 4a equal to 6 and a equal to 3 by 2. A equal to 3 by 2 here. Therefore, we can write this as y equal to mx plus 3 by 2m. So, y equal to half, just put the value m, half plus 3 by 2 into half. Therefore, y equal to x by 2 plus 3. So, 2y equal to x plus 6. Now, we have to check the point that which point is lying on this. So, 2y equal to x plus 6 point, what should be? Here, 4, 5 is not satisfying, 5, 4 is satisfying this. Let's go to the next sum. Let P be a point on the parabola y square equal to 12x and n be the foot of the perpendicular drawn from P on the axis of the parabola. A line is now drawn through the midpoint M of the PM. Not very confusing sum it is. Just draw the diagram better. It will be easier for us to draw the diagram with the statement. And here it is given P is a point on the parabola y is equal to 12x. Here a equal to 3 and n is the foot of the perpendicular of the perpendicular. That is, this is the n. Foot of the perpendicular drawn from P on the axis. A line is now drawn through the midpoint M of the PN parallel to the axis. This is the parallel to the axis. This is the M parallel to the axis which meets the parabola at point Q. Meets the parabola at the point its y-intercept. If the y-intercept of the NQ, okay, not very long, but the statement is long. NQ is 4/3. Y-intercept of the NQ is 4/3. What is about the values? This is a question. So let us do one thing. Y square 4x. So P point is what? What we can say? 80 square 280, 3t square 6t, n point 3t square 0 and m is the midpoint. So 3t is, its x is same since it is a ordinate, so x is same. This is 3t, 6t by 2. So equation of the MQ we can write y equal to 3t, line parallel to x-axis. Now Q point, put y equal to 3t, so Q point is 3 by 4 comma t square and 3t. Now equation of the NQ is coming what? Y minus y1 equal to 3 by 4t square minus 3t square into x minus m into x minus x1 3t square. This is coming 3t square. So if we calculate here, we are getting 3t by 3t square into minus 3 by 4 x minus 3t square. So y equal to minus 4x by 3t plus 4t. So given y-intercept of the NQ is 4/3. Y-intercept of the NQ is given to be 4/3. So therefore we can write 4t equal to 4/3. So t equal to 1/3. Therefore MQ equal to 3t square minus 3 by 4t square. Therefore 9 by 4t square. Therefore 1/4. So and Pn equal to 60, which is coming to be 2. So what becomes the option? MQ is 1/4 is the right option. Option is the C. So ready, first of all, whenever we'll see any sum, we'll just calculate, we'll draw the diagram and we'll proceed. Next sum. Let the data system of the parabola y is equal to 4x be the common chord to the circles C1 and C2, each of them having the radius 2√5. Then the distance between the centers each of them radius. So suppose these are two circles, I am not drawing the parabola. So suppose this is a lattice vector. This is circle C1. Suppose this is C, this is D. AB is the lattice vector. I am not drawing the parabola, and this is the S. The middle point is the S. Okay. In this case, AB is the common chord of the circle having the same radius. So we can say here line joining the centers will be perpendicular, and we can say here CD equal to 2CS equal to DS, and AS equal to AB is the full and AS is the half of the AB is actually it is the lattice vector. So AS is the half of the lattice vector, that is half into 4, that is coming 2. Now CA equal to radius of the circle 2 root 5 which is given to us. Therefore CS equal to root over Pythagoras theorem AC square minus AA square. Therefore AC is 2 root 5 whole square minus 2 square equal to 20 minus 4, that is root over 16 equal to 4. Therefore CD equal to twice the 4 equal to coming 8. Not very easy sum, not very hard sum, sorry, and it needs some calculation. Let us go to the next sum. If the common tangent to y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y also touches the circle, then find the value of C. What can be done here? Here tangent to y square equal to, so everybody, whenever it is y square equal to 4x and x square, so always we'll start with the y square equal to 4x because this is very much familiar to us. Therefore here y equal to mx plus a by m, here a equal to 1, mx plus 1 by m, here a equal to 1, and tangent to x square equal to 4y is y equal to mx minus m square. They are tangent, they are common. Therefore the tangents are same. Therefore m cube equal to minus 1, m equal to minus 1. So common tangent is y equal to minus x minus 1. Therefore x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. It touches the circle. It touches the circle. Therefore C equal to perpendicular distances formula by root over a square plus a square. So 1 by root 2 sum is over. Next sum. Let L1 be the tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4 into x plus 1 and L2 be the tangent to the parabola y square equal to 8 into x plus 2 such that L1 L2 intersect at right angle. Then L1 and L2 meet on the line. What to do here? So y square equal to 4 into x plus 1 and y square equal to 8 into x plus 2. Tangent to the first is ty equal to x plus 80 square. X means x plus 1, a means 1 plus t1 square, and tangent to the 2 is t2y equal to x plus a means here 2 t2 square. Okay, and these two lines, this is some L1 and this is suppose L2. L1 and L2 are perpendicular, so 1 by t1, t2 equal to minus 1, and this is very important. This is very frequent also, equal to minus 1. So now let's do one thing. T1, T2 minus 1 we got. Now we have to solve this L1 and L2. How to solve this? T1y equal to x plus 1 plus t1 square and t2y equal to x plus 2 into 2t2 square. Multiply this by t2 and multiply this by t1 and then minus, subtract. Y part will be cancelled. So what we are getting? T2 into x, 1 minute. t2 into x plus 1 minus t1 into x plus 2 plus t1 square t2 minus 2 t1 t2 square equal to 0. T1 t to the minus 1. Therefore, we can write this as t2 minus t1 into x plus t2 minus 2 t2 minus t2 minus 2 t1 plus 2 t2 equal to 0. So we can write this as t2 minus t1 into x plus equal to minus 3t2 plus 3t1, that is 3 into t2 minus t1. So we are getting x plus 3 equal to 0. Sum is over. So is there anyone? Yes, x plus 3 equal to 0. Previously, none of this was the option before 2020. So after 2020, it is saying that none of this option they are not giving. Giving the less number of none of this option. Okay, in at least mathematics. Let us go to the next one. And we have to cover, we'll cover all the conic section today. So let's see. If y equal to mx plus 4 is a tangent to both the parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 2by, then b is equal to what? So generally, it is very important that y square equal to 4x and x square equal to 4y. This type of sums are, this type of parabolas are very important. Suppose this is a common tangent. This is y equal to mx plus 4. Okay. So tangent to the parabola is y equal to mx plus a by m. A is here 1. And this is suppose number 1. And number 2 is given to us. So y equal to what was there? Y equal to mx plus 4. This is number 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say m equal to 1/4. Now y equal to 1/4 x plus 4 is also the tangent to the second ellipse. So if we solve it, we are getting x square equal to 2b. Instead of y, put the value x plus 16 by 4. Therefore, if we calculate, we are getting 2x square minus b. Just a minute. 2x square minus bx minus 16b equal to 0 has equal roots. So b square minus 4 is equal to 0. B square minus 4 into a into c equal to 0. Therefore, b square plus 128b equal to 0. B equal to 0 or minus 128. B equal to 0 is not possible. B equal to 0 is the absurd case. Therefore, b equal to minus 128. Sum is over. Sum is over. Let us go to the next sum. But before going to the next sum, whatever we are seeing that the sums are not very hard. Sums are on basic concept, but mainly what is needed, that is the calculation ability is very much important. Okay, everyone, let us go to the next sum. So, everything is okay? Okay, you just complete this portion. Let's go to the next one. The acute angle between the pair of tangents to the ellipse 2x square plus 3y square equal to 5 from the point 1, 3. What to be done? This is a 2022 July shift 2. This is an ellipse sum. So equation of the tangent to the ellipse is 2x square plus 3y square equal to 5 is what? Y equal to mx plus minus root over a square m square plus b square. So in this case, y equal to mx plus minus the root over 5 by 2 m square plus 5 by 3. It is passing through the point 1, 3. So it will satisfy 1, 3. So 3 equal to m plus minus here root over 5 by 2 m square plus 5 by 3. Straight the equation, 3 minus m whole square. I am taking to the left hand side the m. Then what is coming? 15 m square plus 10 by 6. Now let us do the whole square. So 9 plus m square minus 6m, a minus b whole square. I am multiplying 6 in the left hand side. Just wait. 6 in the left hand side equal to 15 m square plus 10. So we can write 3 m square plus 12 m minus 44 by 3 equal to 0. Theta be the angle. If theta be the angle between the tangents, if theta be the angle, so tan theta equal to what? m2 minus a1 by 1 plus a1 m2. Therefore tan theta equal to, I am giving the mod, which is greater we don't know, that is why mod 1 plus m1 m2. Let us calculate m1 and m2. Therefore we can say m1 from here, it has two roots, m1 and m2. Therefore we can say here that m1 minus m, sum of the root and product of the root, we can say here m1 minus m2 whole square equal to m1 plus m2 whole square and minus 4ab, 4m1 m2. So calculate m1 minus m2 whole square, that is m1 plus m2 whole square. So we are getting root over, what is coming? For m1 plus m2 is in this case 4 square plus 4 into 44 by 3 into 3. So we are getting here, I am changing the color. One minute. So 44 by 3. So we are getting here what? If we take the 4 square common, we are getting 4 by 3 into root over 20. And 1 plus m1 m2 calculation is coming what? 1 minus 44 by 9. If I take 1 minus 44 by 9, it means 9 minus 44 is 35 minus 35 by 9. So tan theta equal to 24 by 7 root 5. So theta equal to tan inverse 24 by 7 root 5 sin. So 24 by 7 root 5. So everyone, once again I am telling you, it is not very hard, but there is some calculation associated with this. Let's go to the next one. If the length of the lattice sectum of the ellipse x square plus 4y square plus 2x plus 8y minus lambda equal to 0 is 4 and L is the length of its major axis, what is the value of lambda plus L? So first of all, we'll try to write in the form of x minus alpha whole square by a square plus y minus beta whole square by b square equal to 1 in this form. So if we just absorb all the x to make a whole square, that is x plus 1 whole square, and if I calculate directly, if we write plus y plus 1 whole square into 4, I am just taking it down. So this is coming lambda plus 5 in the right hand side. So lambda plus 5 and 4 is coming down, that is lambda plus 5 by 4 equal to 1. So in this way, very very fast we have to calculate. Okay, next. So 2b square by a, lattice sectum is coming to be 4 here. Therefore 2 into lambda plus 5 by 4 equal to 4 into root over of lambda plus 5. So root over of lambda plus 5 equal to 8. Therefore lambda equal to 8 square 64 minus 5 is what? 59. Lambda is coming 59 and lambda denominator is not 0. So lambda is not 5. So we can write L equal to 2, in this case L equal to 2a. 2a means 2 into root over of lambda plus 5, that is 2 root 65. Okay, lambda plus 5, it means 64. 59 plus 5, 64, that is 16 is coming. Therefore, lambda plus L is coming to be 59 plus 16 equal to 75. Let's go to the next one. On the ellipse, x square by 8 plus y square by 4 equal to 1, let P be a point in the second quadrant such that tangent at P to the ellipse is perpendicular to the line x plus 2y equal to 0. Let S and S dash to be the foci of the ellipse and E be the eccentricity. If A is the area of the triangle SPS dash, then the value of this. How to solve this? So first of all, let us draw one diagram. P be a point in the second quadrant. P be a point in the second quadrant. S dashed S. Okay. First of all, we have to get the eccentricity. So eccentricity is b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, that we know, and therefore 4 equal to 8 into 1 minus e square. Therefore e square equal to what? Half. E equal to 1 by root 2. Also slope of the tangent P, slope of the tangent at P is m. M equal to here is coming to be 2. And we know that coordinate of the P is minus a square m by c, comma b square by c. C means we know that c square equal to a square m square plus b square. All these are the short theories which you have to keep in mind. Then only in the entrance examination we can solve the sum very fast. Okay, so c equal to root a square, c square equal to a square m square plus b square, and since it is in the second quadrant, that's why x coordinate is the negative point. Therefore we can write this as c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Just put the value of c. We are getting here that minus 8 into 2 total divided by 8 into 4 plus 4 x coordinate, and y coordinate is 4 by root over 8 into 4 plus 4. Okay, so what is coming here? In this case, minus 8 by 3, comma 2/3. So first of all, we have to draw the just rough diagram. After drawing the rough diagram, we will solve the sum. Try to solve the sum. Sum is not very tricky, but there is some calculation in this sum. But the calculations are also, just if we practice, it will be easier for us. Next sum. The line 12x cos theta plus 5y sin theta equal to 60 is a tangent to the which of the following curve? What to be done, everybody? This is a tangent. So let us get it into x cos theta by a plus y sin theta by b form. Let us see what can be done. What to do? 12x cos theta plus 5y sin theta equal to 60. So x cos theta by 5 plus y sin theta by 12 equal to 1. Equation of the tangent is what? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equal to 1. Therefore, we can say a equal to 5. Let us compare. Once again, I am writing the equation of the tangent is what? X by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta. It means it is nothing but the basic concept. So we are getting this. So a equal to 5 and b equal to 12. Therefore, the equation of the ellipse is x square by 5 square plus y square by b square is what? 12 square equal to 1. So x square by 25 plus y square by 144 equal to 1. So it is in straight form 144 x square plus 25 y square equal to what? 3600. Let's go to the next one. The locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining -3, -5 and the points on the ellipse. So continuously I am telling you that we have to just calculate in such a way, the calculation should be very easy. In short, for this we have to draw one rough diagram. Okay, right? So what is the sum? The locus of the midpoint of the line segment joining -3, -5 and the point on the ellipse. First of all, draw one rough diagram. Okay, everybody. Then only we can do this. First of all, one rough diagram is needed. So suppose this point is P and this point is what? The locus of the middle point of the segment joining -3, -5 and the point. So -3, suppose this point is a -3, -5 and the point on the ellipse and its middle point, suppose it is R. This is P, this is Q and this is R. R is suppose some HK. Therefore, H equal to, and the point is suppose A cos theta, B sin theta. Suppose P point is A cos theta and B sin theta. Previously, I used to write always not theta. I used to write in terms of phi. And it was very normal in writing phi only. Okay. So nowadays theta, alpha, beta, whatever you see. But whenever in the previous case, since it is an eccentric point, so there was a way of writing, that was a rule of writing in terms of phi. So in this case, H is the R is the middle point of the PQ. So we can write -3 plus 2 cos theta by 2 and K equal to, it's the middle point, -5 plus 3 sin theta by 2. So let us extract sin theta cos theta. Let us do the whole square, squaring and ending sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Then we'll get the result. That is the target. So not very hard. So cos theta equal to what here? 2 plus, not 2 it is. This is coming to be 3 plus 2h by 2 and sin theta is coming what here? That is 5 plus 2k by 3. By squaring and adding, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 9 plus 4h square plus 12h by 4, just squaring, plus 25 plus 4k square plus 20k by 9. By squaring and adding, we are getting what? Simple calculate. Calculate simply and very fast, because our locus is in terms of some straight curve form. Therefore, we can write this is what? 36h square plus 16k square plus 108h plus 80k plus 181 equal to 36. Therefore, 36x square plus 16y square plus 108, instead of h and k, put x and y, plus 108 x plus 80 y plus 181 minus 36 is what? This is 145, right now? Yes, 145 equal to 0. Done. Let us do the next one. Let theta be the acute angle between the tangents to the ellipse and the circle at their point of intersection in the first quadrant. Then tan theta is what can be done? let's do one thing, x square by 9 plus y square by 1. Therefore, x square by 9 plus y square by 1 equal to 1. And we are getting here x square plus y square equal to 3. And theta beta angle between the tangents of the circle. So let us draw one rough diagram. And the tangents. Okay. Now we can get it here. That let us solve it. So x square by 9 plus 3 minus x square by 1 equal to 1. Therefore, if we write this as x square equal to 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 2, 18 by 8. That is coming x equal to plus minus 3 by 2. Okay. And 18 by 8 and x equal to this. Therefore, x equal to plus minus 3 by 2 and x equal to minus 3 by 2 we can discard. Therefore, we can say y square equal to 3 minus 9 by 4. We are getting 3 by 4. So, y equal to plus minus root over of 3 by 2. So, point of intersection is 3 by 2 comma root 3 by 2. Thus, tangent to the ellipse at this point, tangent to the ellipse at the point 3 comma 3 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 is what? X by 6 plus y root 3 by 2 equal to 1. So, slope is minus 1 by 3 root 3. And tangent to the circle at 3 by 2 comma root 3 by 2 is 3x by 2 plus root 3y by 2 equal to 1. Therefore, m2 equal to root 3. In this case, it is minus root 3. m2 equal to minus root 3. So, tan theta m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 3 root 3 by 1 plus 1/3. So, calculate is what? 8 by 3 root 3 into 4/3. So, we are getting here 2 by root 3. So, is there any option here? 2 by root 3 is the answer. Let's go to the next one. Let us do the next one. Let E1 x square by x square plus y square by b square equal to 1 and E2 be the another ellipse such that it touches the end points of the major axis of E1 and the foci E2, and the foci of E2 are at the end points of the minor axis of E1. If E1 and E2 have the same eccentricity, find the value of it. You have to find the eccentricity value. What to be done? First of all, let us draw one rough diagram. If we draw one rough diagram, this is AE0 minus AE0. Okay, this is 0 minus B, suppose, and this is A0 and this is minus A0. Therefore, we can write this as the eccentricities are same. We can write 1 minus B square by A square equal to 1 minus A square by B square, since B greater than A. Therefore, B square equal to A to the power 4 by B square and B equal to A square by B. Here we are getting. Now, as foci of E2 are at the end points of the minor axis of E1, therefore, for E2, B into E equal to B. A is 0 in this case. That is why. And Now we can say, suppose this is the number 1, this is the number 2, we can say here E equal to, what is coming from 1 and 2, E equal to what is coming here, B square by A square, if we just eliminate the capital B, and since E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square, therefore we can write E square equal to 1 minus E. Therefore E square plus E minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore E equal to minus B plus minus root over B square minus 4AC by 2A. Therefore we are getting here what? E equal to minus B plus minus root over B square minus 4AC by 2A, and E is always positive quantity, so E equal to root 5 minus 1 by 2. Let us go to the next one. Let an ellipse x square by a square plus y square b square equal to 1 and a square greater than b square passes through the point and has eccentricity 1 by root 3. If a circle centered at the focus f alpha comma 0 of E and the radius 2 by 3 intersect E at 2 points P and Q, then PQ square equal to what is the value which you have to get. What to do, everybody? First of all, the ellipsis, let us draw one rough diagram. Let us draw one rough diagram and let us understand. Okay, let us understand, and it's a rough diagram for us. So ellipsis x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. It passes through the point root over of 3 by 2 comma 1. So it will satisfy, and e square equal to 1 minus b square by a square. So it is coming to be, everybody, what is coming here? Let's see. B square is given to us 1 by 3. So b square equal to 2/3 a square. And it is passing through the point root over of 3 by 2 comma 1. So we can write 3 by 2 a square plus 3 by 2 a square. We are putting instead of b. So a square equal to 3. And so accordingly b square equal to what? 2. The ellipsis x square by 3 plus y square by 2 equal to 1. A equal to root 3 here. Here it is coming, a equal to root 3. So what is the focus? Focus is coming root 3 into 1 by root 3, a is 0. Therefore it is coming 1 comma 0. Focus is a is 0, so it is coming 1 comma 0. And we can write this as the circle is coming what? X minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 4/3 given to us, and ellipse is coming x square by 3 plus y square by 2 equal to 1. So y square equal to 6 minus 2x square by 3. So just let us solve here. Instead of y square, put the value. We are getting 3 into x minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2x square equal to 4. So x square, 3 common, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 minus 2x square equal to 4. Therefore we can write this as, we can write here that x square plus x square minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0, x equal to 1 and 5. This is somewhat long calculation sum. Now x equal to, we got the value. Now there are some part which I have to change. So we got x equal to 1 and 5. When x equal to 1, y square is coming what? Y square equal to 4/3. So y equal to plus minus 2 by root 3. Everybody, whenever this type of sums are coming, this type of long sums are coming, our target should be that we have to try to neglect first this type of sums. At the end of the examination, we'll try to solve this type of sums whenever the calculation is getting long. And when x equal to, so y square equal to minus 44 by 3. Okay, so it is absurd case. Y square is negative, how it is possible? So PQ equal to 4 by root 3. So PQ square, because yes, because P point is 1 comma 2 by root 3 and Q point is 1 comma minus 2 by root 3. Okay, so 1 to same. So 4 by root 3. That is why in short, in one line we can write this. So PQ square equal to 16 by 3. Some calculative sum. The calculation was something long. So whenever we'll get this type of sum, something we'll try to avoid first. In the first hour, we'll try to avoid these sums. Okay, let's go to the next sum. If a tangent to the ellipse meets the tangent at the extremities of its major axis at B and C, then the circle with BC as the diameter always passes through. What to be done? So first of all, this is the ellipse. Let us draw the ellipse. Suppose this point is P, A cos theta, A sin A cos theta, B sin theta, 2 cos theta, comma sin theta, 2 cos theta, comma sin theta, right? So yes, 2 cos theta, comma sin theta. Suppose this is Q and this is R. This is minus 2, 0. This is 2, 0. Let the tangent meets the tangent at the extremities at R and Q. So equation of the tangent at P, equation of tangent at P is what? Cos theta into x plus 2 sin theta into y equal to 2. Therefore, what is the point R? Put x is minus 2. So minus 2, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta, and what is the point Q? That is 2 comma 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, sin theta is 2 sin theta cos theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Similarly, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, and in this way you have to calculate first. Now the equation of the circle, okay, extremities of the major axis at B and C, it means one is the B and one is the C. This is suppose B, this is the C. This will be B and C. The question is given. So equation of the circle BC as the diameter. So x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. So we can write this as what is coming? X plus 2 into x minus 2 plus y minus cot theta by 2, because 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. In this way we will calculate. So cos theta, and it is coming what? Y minus tan theta by 2 equal to 0. So we are getting x square minus 4 plus y square minus what is coming? Tan theta by 2 cot theta by 2 is coming to be 1, and tan theta by 2 plus cot theta by 2 plus tan theta by 2 into y plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to check the option, and we are seeing that the option number 1 minus 1 is not possible. Option number 2 if we see, because y part is 0 for the option number 2, and yes, option number 2 is satisfying the condition. So in this case, whatever times we are seeing that, just calculate here, the calculation is something easier. Sometimes long, but we should be ready for the long calculation. Next, the answer is coming option B. Let us go to the next. A ray of light through 2, 1 is reflected at the point P on the y-axis and then passes through the point 5, 3. If this reflected ray is the directrix of an ellipse with the eccentricity 1/3 and the distance of the nearer focus from the directrix is 8 by root over 53, then the equation of the other directrix can be what? It means a ray of light passing through the point 2, 1 is reflected at the point P and then passes through the point 5, 3, and if the reflected ray is the directrix of the parabola, this, and distance from there, the equation of the other directrix is what? Then everybody, what you have to do, you have to get the equation of the reflected ray. That is the most important. So let us draw one rough diagram. Let us draw one rough diagram. This is the Q point 2, 1. This is the R point. What is coming? 5, 3. And this is the P point. So its image of Q is here, and here it is getting minus 2, 1. Therefore, equation of the reflected ray PQ, not PQ, this is PR. Equation of the reflected ray PR is what? What is coming? Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y1. I am doing indirect. Minus 2 minus 5 into X minus 5. So we are getting 7Y minus what is coming? 21 equal to 2X minus 10. So it is coming 2X minus 7Y plus 11 equal to 0. So the equation of one directrix is 2x minus, according to the question, one directrix is 2x minus 7y plus 11 equal to 0. Let the other directrix is parallel to this. So its equation is 2x. Let other directrix be 2x minus 7y plus lambda equal to 0. Okay. Now distance between the foci and the directrix is given to us. What is the distance between the foci and the directrix? Center, foci, directrix. Foci is A, 0 to A, and distance from center to the directrix is A by E. Therefore, we can say A by E minus AE equal to 8 by root over 53. Therefore, we can write this as A into 3 minus 1/3 equal to 8 by root over 53. Therefore, A equal to, we can say, 3 by root over 53. And distance between the two directrices, A by E to A by E. Therefore, distance between two directrices equal to 2A by E. Therefore, we can write this as perpendicular distance formula 11 minus lambda by root over 2 square plus 7 square equal to 2 into 3 into 2A by E into 3 by root over 53. Now I have to change some part. I have to wipe some part of the board. And this is coming to be what? Root over 53 is getting cancelled. So 11 minus lambda equal to 18. Therefore, 11 minus lambda equal to plus minus 18. So lambda equal to 11 plus minus 18. So lambda equal to minus 7 and 21. So the other directrix will be, just put the value 2x minus 7y plus 29 equal to 0, or 2x minus 7y minus 7 equal to 0. Let's go to the next one. It means that conic section, in conic section there are different concept questions are coming. Sums are not hard, but there are some calculation in this sum that we have to go through this calculation portion. Okay, and let us do the next sum, and our target today will finish the conic section portion. All type are going to coming. We have to finish the conic section portion. Can I have some tea? Can I have some tea? No problem. Okay. It's okay. Next question. If the points of intersection of the ellipse and the circle lie on the curve y square equal to 3x square, then b equal to. So our target should be that we'll finish all different types, some selected sums from PYQ as well as some expected sums from conic section today. If the points of intersection of the ellipse and the circle lie on the curve, since y square equal to 3x square, so let us consider, let t comma plus minus root 3t y square equal to 3x square be the point of intersection. Okay, so we can write this as with circle. If we put this point, we are getting t square plus 3t square equal to 4b. Therefore, t square equal to b. We can write here. Now, also we are putting this in the ellipse. So, t square by 16 plus 3t square by b square equal to 1. Therefore, b by t square is b by 16 plus 3b by b square equal to 1. So, b square minus 16b plus 48 equal to 0. Therefore, 16, 48, 12 and 4. So, b equal to 4 and 12. Okay. So, b greater than 4. Therefore, b equal to 12 over. Let's go to the next one. Let L be the tangent line to the parabola and L is also a tangent to the ellipse. Then the value of B. L be the tangent line to the parabola. L is also the tangent to the. So L is the tangent. I am just drawing the rough diagram. L is also the tangent to the ellipse. Then the value of B. So equation of the tangent at 6, 2. Equation of the tangent at 6, 2 is y into y1 equal to that y into y1 equal to 2 into x plus x1 minus 20. So equation of the tangent. So if I put the value 2y equal to 2 into x plus 6 minus 20. So y equal to x minus 4. It is in the form of y equal to mx plus c form. It is also the tangent to the ellipse. So it will satisfy, because for tangent to the ellipse, c square equal to a square m square plus b square. Therefore, we can write this as minus 4 square equal to 2 into 1 square plus b equal to 14. Is this how? It was this how. Let us go to the next one. Let a tangent be drawn to x square by 27 plus y square by 1 equal to 1 at 3 root 3 cos theta comma sin theta, where theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Then the value of theta such that the sum of the intercept on the axis made by this tangent is minimum. So here we have to apply, I think, the concept of maximum minimum. Okay, so let f of theta equal to the sum of the intercept. equal to sum of intercept. Sum of the intercept. That is coming to be what? Sum of the intercept 3 root 3 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. Therefore, f theta should be 3 root 3 sec theta plus cosec theta. Therefore, f dashed theta is coming to be 3 root 3 sec theta tan theta. The derivative of sec theta is sec theta tan theta. Cosec theta is what? Minus cosec theta cot theta. So we can write this as sec theta tan theta minus cosec theta cot theta. Cot theta. Put f dash x, the condition of the maximum minimum, f dash x equal to 0. So what we are getting? If we just take f dash x equal to 0, so here it is coming 1 by 3 tan cube theta. Everybody, for this type of examinations, the most important thing is that you have to get the calculation properly, and calculation ability, that is very much important. Okay, solving the sum is not so much hard, and that whatever I am saying you, that the concept is not so much hard. We'll solve all the concept sum of the conic section, but calculation is very important. Calculation ability is extremely important. That you have to practice continuously. Tan cube theta equal to 1 by 3 root 3. So we can write this as tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. So theta equal to pi by 6. Not required to check the double derivative. If you think, you can check after the examination. Okay. In the examination, if you check, then your time will go. So better you check after examination. Okay, ready? So let us get the next one. The main thing যে আমাদের যেটা করতে হবে সেটা হচ্ছে that what you have to do, the main thing is that we should have the calculation ability, and students long study, long sum solving. For JEE Advanced also, we have to solve at a stretch long sum. Let's continue with the next sum. Today we will solve all different types of the conic section from PYQ as well as some expected sums. We cannot say what is the expected sum, but let's try, everybody. Next sum. Let P be the point on the parabola y is equal to 8x, which is at a distance minimum distance from the center C of the circle. X square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to 1. Then the equation of the circle passing through C having the center at P. Minimum distance occurs through the common normal. That is very important. That you have to know. Minimum distance occurs through the common normal. Meaning we have to drop the common normal. So let us draw one rough diagram. And the circle here, it is on 0 minus 6. It means the circle is on the y-axis. Center is on the y-axis. 0 minus 6. Okay, the C. And P is P point 80 square to 80, where A equal to 2. Here A equal to 2. So P is 80 square to 80. Therefore, we can say here P is 2t square comma 40. P is 2t square comma 40. Therefore, y equation of the normal is y plus tx equal to 280 plus 80 cube. In this particular case, since point based, we'll use a point. But in parabola, there are two types. One is the slope based, one is a point based. But here it is a point, so we'll use the point based y plus tx. Otherwise, if it would have been the slope cases, we could write y equal to mx minus 2m minus am cube. Therefore, we can write this as here. It passes through the what is the thing? Equation of the normal is y plus tx, y equal to minus tx, y plus tx equal to 280 plus 80 cube, 40 plus 2t cube. Therefore, we can write this as it passes through the point C, 0 comma minus 6. It is passing through, this normal is passing through the C. Therefore, it will satisfy the equation. If we satisfy x is 0, therefore t cube plus 2t plus 3 cubic equation, vanishing method or return trial method. So put t equal to 1, not obviously not satisfied because all are plus, so t equal to minus 1. So t equal to minus 1 here. So center of the new circle, because we need the equation of the circle passing through the C and having center at P. So center of the new circle is P, that is 2 comma minus 4. P point is 2t square 40, so 2 comma minus 4. Okay, and radius PC equal to r of the new circle. This is what distance from what was there, 0 6 to this point, that is 2 minus 0 whole square plus or minus 4 plus 6 whole square. So we can write this as 2 root 2. Therefore equation of the circle, equation of new circle is coming to be x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 4 whole square equal to 2 root 2 whole square. If we do the whole square, that is coming x square minus 4x plus 4 plus y square minus 8x plus 8x plus 16 equal to 8. Therefore x square plus y square minus 4x, it is given in terms of straight form, minus 4x plus 8y plus 12 equal to 0. Sum is over. Let us go to the next one. P and Q are two distinct points on the parabola y square equal to 4x with the parameters t and t1. If the normal P passes through the Q, it is this sum is a very basic concept of the parabola. T2 equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. This concept. So in this case, this is P, this is Q, and one is the T, one is the T1. Therefore, you keep it here. Thank you. What is the T? So we can say here that T1 equal to minus T minus 2 by T. So T1 square equal to, if we do the whole square, T square plus 4 by T square plus 4. T square plus 4 by T square. If we apply AM greater than equal to GM, so if we apply AM greater than equal to GM, so T square into 4 by T square, this is coming to be 4. Therefore, minimum value of T1 square equal to 8. So everybody, from the nature of the conic, we are saying that if we can remember all the basic concept, of the conic section, so that all the short notes, short point, that this type of things like common normals, common tangent, and regarding what the points they will cut, regarding the point of intersection of the tangent, point of intersection of the normals, if we can just remember, I think we can solve the sum. And there are some calculative activities that is important for us. Next up, let PQ be a double ordinate of the parabola y is equal to minus 4x, where P lies in the second quadrant and R divides PQ in the ratio 2:1, then locus of R. What to do? Y is equal to minus 4x. Let us draw the diagram first, rough diagram. P, Q, R, and R divides in 2:1 ratio. Let P is T1 point. T1 means what? Minus 81 square to 81, and Q is and double ordinate. This is the double ordinate. Therefore, this is coming in the second quadrant. P lies, and y is equal to minus 4x. So Q is minus 82 T1 square minus 2n. Okay, I am writing it is better if we can write the points because it is a double ordinate given. Double ordinate means what? Which is the parallel to the directrix. And P is in the second quadrant, so Q is in the third quadrant. So the points are numerically same, just they differ by the minus sign. Therefore, we can write this as minus 81 square 281 and minus 81 square minus 281. Okay, and R is the point, suppose H comma K. Therefore, H equal to minus 81 square and K equal to minus 281 by 3. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus m formula. And since it is perpendicular to the y-x-axis, so its x is same. It's a double ordinate. Therefore, just eliminate the T1. We are getting what? 9k square equal to 4a square T1 square equal to 4a into minus h. Therefore, 9k square equal to minus 4h. Therefore, we can write 9y square equal to minus 4x. So in this type of sums, it's a very basic concept related very basic concept. Let us go to the next sum. Next sum. The slope of the tangent touching both parabolas y square equal to 4x and x square equal to minus 32y. The slope of the tangent touching both the parabolas. So let's do one thing. Touching two parabolas, y square equal to 4x and x square equal to minus 32y. It means y square equal to 4x and touching both the parabolas. We have to get the slope of the tangent. What to do? Let's do one thing. For common tangent, always whenever we'll solve any sum, we'll solve with always one thing. That is, y square equal to 4x if it is present, we'll always start with even parabola to okay, parabola circle, parabola ellipse, always we'll start with the parabola because parabola's tangent is very simplified form. Very simplified form. Therefore, we can write this as y equal to mx plus a by m. Here a equal to 1. Y square equal to 4x. So, in this case, a equal to 1. So, this is number 1. And this is the tangent to the parabola 2 also. So, we can write this as equation of the tangent to the parabola 2. We can write y equal to mx plus 8m square. Okay. Number 2. And they are identical. So, we can write 1 by m equal to 8 by m square. So, m cube equal to 1 by 8, m equal to half. So, it is option number what? C. M equal to half. Next. Next sum. Two tangents are drawn from a point minus 2 minus 1 to the curve y square equal to 4x, and if alpha be the angle between them, then mod tan alpha. This alpha. What will be done? The locus of the point of intersection of the tangents inclined at an angle alpha to each other is what? This is a short. We have to remember all the short notes so that our sum will be done easily. Remember this. This is very important. One point. So, once again, the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents to the parabola. Locus of the point of intersection of the tangent to the parabola inclined at an angle alpha is tan square alpha into x plus a whole square equal to y square minus 4ax. This is very important. So, equation of the parabola, in this case, a equal to 1. Therefore, point of intersection given minus 2 minus 1 given to us. Therefore, we can just put the value. If we put the value, we are getting tan square alpha minus 2 plus 1, a equal to 1, and the point is x and y. So, directly put the value and we are getting the result. So in this case, we are getting this is whole square equal to here minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. Therefore, we can write tan square alpha is what coming? Coming to be 9. Tan alpha equal to plus minus 3. So mod tan alpha equal to 3. So everybody, in coordinate geometry, there are a lot of questions are coming. Lot of weightage in coordinate geometry. And we have to cover the all coordinate geometry, mainly circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Let us go to the next question. And whatever we have solved the sum, whatever we have seen, it is not only easy, but if we can study proper notes, then we can solve the sum very easily, this type of sums. So let us continue and complete the part. Here it is given that the normal at 2, 3 by 2 to the ellipse, or x square by 16 plus y square by 3 equal to 1 touches the parabola y square equal to touches the parabola. We have to find the equation. Whose equation? The normal to the ellipse touching the which parabola? What to do? Let's see. The parabola is x square by 16 plus y square by 3 equal to 1. The equation of the normal at the point x1 by a square minus y1 by b square equal to a square minus b square formula is the equation of the normal at the point x1, y1. So let us apply here. So 16x by 2 just wait a bit. Yes. What is there? What I am telling you, just off your this number of the number here. So did I try to solve this sum? And whatever we are saying that, if we can remember that easier portion, easier part, then we can solve the sum very easily. And after this parabola, we'll do hyperbola, and after hyperbola, we'll complete the major part of the circle part, and so that we can get some, we can solve some sums in the entrance examination. Normal to the ellipse touches the parabola, find the equation. Try everybody, try to solve the sum. Just a minute, I'm coming once. Yes. Let's solve the sum. But remember everybody that one chapter, one portion, we have to give coverage in details, and all PYQ is very important for this type of examination. Not only PYQ, with PYQ we have to solve the all others also. Okay, so let us proceed. Let us proceed everybody while we left behind. What is the sum? That the normal at 2 comma 3 by 2 to the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 3 equal to 1 touches the parabola whose equation we have to find out. So ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 3 equal to 1. The equation of the normal at 2 comma 3 by 2 is 16 x by x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to equation of the normal x1 by a minus y1 by b equal to a square minus b square formula. Sorry, I was telling about the tangent. It is a normal here given. So 16x by 2 minus 3y by 3 by 2 equal to a square minus b square, 16 minus 3, therefore 8x minus 2y equal to 13. So, and one more thing, we have to solve the sum very fast. We should not lose any time for this type of examinations. That is very much important. Okay, so let us proceed with this. So what is coming? 8x minus 2y minus 13. So y equal to 4x, y equal to mx plus c for 13 by 2. Now let y equal to 4x minus 13 by 2 touches parabola. It touches the parabola. So parabola y square equal to 4ax. Suppose touches the parabola y square equal to 4ax. So c equal to a by m. So c equal to a by m. Using c equal to a by m, so a minus 4 into minus 13 by 2 equal to 0. It means we can write this as a equal to minus 26. And the required equation of the parabola is what? Y square equal to 4ax. 26 into 4, 52 into 2, 104. So minus 104x. Let us go to the next sum. The shortest distance between the line y minus x equal to 1 and x equal to y square. We have to find the shortest distance between the lines. What to be done? And we know that shortest distance occurs through the common normal. Shortest distance occurs through the common normal. Therefore, we can write this. Y square equal to 4x round. Let us draw one rough diagram. If we draw one rough diagram, we are getting suppose this point t square comma t. This point is t square comma t. So minus 2t equal to minus 1 because it's a common normal. So t equal to half. And for y square equal to 4ax, we are getting here. What is the target? Target should be the perpendicular distance. So we can write here that y square equal to x. So 2y y1 equal to 1, y1 equal to 1 by 2y. Therefore, we can write minus 2t equal to minus 1 by y1. Okay. Therefore, the equation is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and x minus y plus 1, and if the point is 1/4 comma half, and the shortest distance is 1/4 minus half plus 1 by root over a square plus b square. So this is coming what? 1 minus half is half, 1/4 plus half, it means 3 by 4 root 2. This is the final answer. It is nothing but the common logic. Okay, so let us go to the next one. If two tangents, it will be tangents actually. There's some pretty mistake. If two tangents drawn from P to the parabola is equal to 4x are at right angles, then the locus of P is what to do? If two tangents drawn from the point to the parabola y equal to 4x, then the locus of P. So locus of the tangent is the directrix. It is the directrix. So the directrix is x equal to -1. Sum is over. So it is coming x equal to -1. So there are some sums which is given where we can calculate which depends on the just knowledge on the theory. And everybody, you have to remember this. It is nothing but the knowledge on theory mainly. Parabola, ellipse, hyperbola is nothing but the knowledge on the theory, and there is some calculation associated here. Next one. The equation of a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 8x is y equal to x plus 2, and the point on this line from which the other tangent to the parabola is perpendicular to the given tangent is. Okay, so same concept. Once again, the equation of the tangent to the parabola is this. The point on this line from which the other tangent perpendicular, it means once again such sums we have faced, that it is nothing but the equation of the directrix. Okay, so the point is they fall on the directrix, the point is -2, sum is over. There are some sums where you don't have to calculate, then also I am showing you. They fall on directrix. X plus 2 equal to 0, sum is over. Let's go to the next one. Consider an ellipse whose center is at origin and its major axis along the x-axis. If the eccentricity is 3/5 and the distance between the foci is 6, then area of the quadrilateral inscribed in the ellipse with the vertices as the vertices of the ellipse. It means if we drop the ellipse and area of the quadrilateral, if we can calculate, vertices of the vertices. So let us get some basic data. For example, given E equal to 3/5 and 2AE equal to, distance between the foci is 2AE, 2AE equal to 6. So from this we are getting, if we multiply, if we put the value E, A equal to 5. We are getting A equal to 5. So B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. So 25 into 1 minus 9/25. We are getting B equal to 4. B square equal to 16, B equal to 4. Now area of the quadrilateral we can get here. So half base into altitude into 4. So to get the area of the quadrilateral, we are getting half base into altitude into 4. So area of the quadrilateral equal to 4 times half base into altitude, half AB. So this is coming to AB, that is 2 into 20, that is 40. 40 is the answer. Let's cover the another sum. If the tangent at a point on the ellipse x square by 27 plus y square by 3 equal to 1 meet the axis at A and B, first x-axis, then y-axis, and axis at O is the origin, then the minimum area of the triangle OAB. So first of all, we have to get the equation of the tangent. This is the P and this is theta. So x by root over 27 cos theta plus y by root 3 sin theta equal to 1. So area bounded is half base into altitude, half, and this is the point x and y. So if we put x equal to 0, we are getting y directly, and we have to solve the sum very first. Directly we can put, if we put x equal to 0, we are getting the y coordinate, and y, if we put y equal to 0, we are getting the x coordinate. So area bounded by the axis is half base into altitude, root over 27 by cos theta. If we put y equal to 0 and we put x equal to 0, root 3 by sin theta. So we are getting what? Root over 23 into root 3, it means 9, and we are getting 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. Nothing is needed. Area is minimum when sin theta is the maximum. Sin theta is maximum at what? At sin 2 theta equal to 1. Therefore, minimum equal to 9. Easy sum and basic sum. It means we have to study in detail, and this is a particular type in JEE examination. Whatever we know, whatever in last 3 years analysis says that if we just see that this conic section, this coordinate geometry carries about 30 to 37% marks. Anyhow, we have to pick up that marks. That is very much important for us. Okay, so let us go to the next one. The locus of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from center on any tangent is what? It means if we draw the diagram, suppose this is the tangent, we need locus of the foot of this, suppose this is perpendicular. Although it is not perpendicular, it seems, but actually think that this is a perpendicular. So locus of the foot of the perpendicular, this point locus is very much important. Locus of this point is very important. Not important, we need this locus of this point. What to be done? What to be done here? So equation of the ellipse is what? A square equal to 6 and b square equal to 2. Now equation of the tangent is y equal to mx plus minus root over a square m square plus b square. So this is coming y equal to mx plus minus, plus or minus or both we can take, a square m square. But everybody, this sum is a theory, because we need this type of theory is very important. This sum is as a whole theory. You have to remember this. Then only we can solve the sum. Those who can remember this sum, no, not it has been done. So those who can remember this type of theories can solve the sum in 1-2 lines. Otherwise, you have to solve the sum. Always it is not possible to remember all the theories, but once we can remember the theories, it becomes easier for us to solve the sum. So y equal to mx plus minus root over a square m square plus b square. So the equation of the perpendicular line passing through the origin, y equal to mx form. So which is perpendicular? So y equal to minus 1 by mx. Now simple eliminate m. We'll get the result. What to do? M equal to minus y by x. Put it here. M equal to minus 1 by x. Put it here as well as here. And then do the whole square, we'll get the result. What we'll get? If we just put y equal to minus y by x square plus minus, what is coming? a square m square. M square means y square by x square plus b square. Just do the whole square and we are getting the result. We are getting x square plus y square. But everybody, this is the theory. This theory we have to keep in mind. Okay. So a square x square plus b square y square. A and b we know. Therefore, the final answer is x square. Actually, if we can remember all these type of theories, all the short notes on parabola and ellipse, which is very important, and which I have given that short notes on parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, then we can solve the sum, IIT JEE sums very easily, very fast. Like this type of sum. This is nothing but a theoretical part. So x square plus y square whole square, 6x square plus 2y square. Sum is over. Let's go to the next sum. If OB is the semi-minor axis of the ellipse, F1, F2 are the foci, and the angle between F1B and F2B is a right angle, then the square of the eccentricity of the ellipse is. So let us draw the diagram. It is better for us. If we draw the diagram, it will be better for us. So let's draw the diagram. A0 minus A0, focus, and this is suppose F1, and this is B, and this is F2. This is minus A0, F1 is minus AE0 and F2 is AE0. Therefore, it's a right angle. This angle is 90 degrees, so M1 empty equal to minus 1. Whenever we are getting the M1 empty equal to minus 1, we are getting what? The slope of F1B, slope of F1B into slope of F2B equal to minus 1. So 0 minus B by minus AE minus 0, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, minus B by AE minus 0 equal to minus 1. Therefore, B by AE into minus B by AE equal to minus 1. So, B square equal to A square, and calculation should be very fast. Your calculation should be very fast. Okay. Next. Now we know that B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Put the value instead of B square, that is A square into 1 minus E square equal to A square E square. A square is getting cancelled, so E equal to 1 by root 2. E square equal to half and E equal to 1 by root 2, and sum is over. And the sum is over. Let's go to the next sum. The equation of the circle passing through the foci of the ellipse and having the center 0, 3. What to be done? Equation of the circle passing through the foci and having center 0, 3. So, if we draw one rough diagram, suppose let us get the equation of a circle. Let us get the equation of the circle passing through the foci and center 0, 3, it means minor axis. So we can write this here. This is center 0, 3, it's the end of the minor axis, and this is foci. You have to get the foci. So in this case, you have to find E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square, 1 minus 9 by 16. Therefore, E equal to root over 7 by 4. Therefore, foci is plus minus A0 plus minus root over 7 comma 0. So equation of the circle is what? That this is the radius and x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to radius square. Radius square is the distance between this minus root 7 comma 0. So this is coming root 7 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 7, that is a 16. So if we open, x square plus y square minus 6x 6y minus 7 equal to 0. Sum is over. Let us go to the next. A point on the ellipse, take this. It has been done, and just after 1 hour I can expect it. Just after 1 hour. So after 1 hour. Next one. Let's go to the next one. A point on the ellipse 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36, where the normal is parallel to the line. Where the normal is parallel to the line. A point on the ellipse where the normal is parallel to the line. It means suppose this is a normal is parallel to the line. The line is given 4x minus 2y equal to 5, and the ellipse is x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. Normal at the point parallel to normal of the slope. Slope of the normal is coming to be 2, and slope of the tangent is coming to be minus half, and point of contact is a square m by c and b square by c. A square m by c and b square by c, and c square equal to a square m square plus b square. All these are nothing but the easy method, and you have to keep in mind. First of all, you have to know the theories, then this type of sums are becoming very much easier in very short. Okay, so point of contact, and the point of contact of the ellipse and the line is a square m by c. C means a square m square plus b square, and b square by c means a square m square plus b square. It means a square equal to 9 and b square equal to 4. Therefore, what is coming here? It is getting satisfied. Minus a square m by c plus b square. So we are getting here, if we put the value, slope is, and just the point, minus 9 by 5 comma 8 by 5. If we calculate, we are getting this. Next sum. Equation of the line passing through the intersection of the parabola and the ellipse is. So if we solve previous PYQ, we are seeing that maximum sums, first time it will be something hard. First of all, we have to know the theoretical part, and after knowing theoretical part, if we can solve PYQ, it seems that we can solve the sum very easily, very fast. Okay, and there is just only theory. Once we can know the theories, this type of sums are nothing, everyone. And there is some calculation recently they are giving, like 2020, 2021, 22, they are giving some calculations. Okay, so this is a previous JEE question. Equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the parabola and the ellipse. What to be done? If we solve parabola and ellipse, we are seeing that parabola is x square equal to, what is coming, 8y, and ellipse is coming x square by 3 plus y square equal to 1. Just replace the y square. So we are getting here, what is coming, 3y square plus 8y minus 3 equal to 0. And if we just solve, we are getting y plus 3 into 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So y equal to minus 1/3. Minus 3 and 1/3. Now when y equal to minus 3 and x square is coming to become what? Minus 24, absurd case. It is absurd. And when y equal to 1/3, x equal to plus minus, what is coming? 2 root 6 by 3. Therefore, point of intersection is coming. Point of intersection. Points of intersection is coming what? 2 root 6 by 3, comma 1/3, and minus 2 root 6 by 3, comma 1/3. So required equation of the line. Choosing the option, select the option, we are getting y equal to 1/3 is the final answer. So 3y minus 1 equal to 0. 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Done. Let us go to the next one. A focus of an parabola, a focus of an ellipse is at origin. The directrix is the line x equal to 4 and eccentricity is half. Then the length of the semi-major axis. What is to be done? Focus is at the origin. Let us draw one rough diagram. Directrix is the line x equal to 4 and eccentricity is half. So ready? A perpendicular distance of the directrix from focus is a by e minus ae. Distance between focus and directrix is a by e minus ae. So we can write a by e minus ae equal to 4. Therefore, a into 2 minus half equal to 4. So a equal to 8 by 3. So therefore, semi-major axis is a. The reason is that 2a equal to major axis. So semi-major axis equal to 8 by 3. Next, let us go to the next sum. In an ellipse, the distance between the foci is 6 and minor axis is 8. This type of sum is very easy sum. Sometimes in JEE examination, easy questions are also coming. So we should take the opportunity of this. So 2AE equal to 6, AE equal to 3. Therefore, we can write this as, and again given that 2B equal to, just wait, 2B equal to 8 and B equal to 4. So B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Therefore, in this case, eccentricity we have to find. So E equal to, directly we can get it. E equal to 3 by 5 direct. E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square and E equal to 3 by 5. It means जितना fast हो सकता है, we have to solve the sum. जितना fast हो सकता है. And calculation should be very fast and we have to spare, हम लोग को time spend करना है थोड़ा सा concept के लिए. लेकिन calculation whenever it will be coming, we have to do very fast calculation. That is very much important. Next sum. An ellipse has OB as the semi-minor axis. If and f dash its focus and the angle, if B f dash is right angle, then eccentricity of the ellipse is. One basic sum, let us solve. So what have we done? We have done such one sum previously. So this is f dashed. So minus A is 0, F is A is 0, B is 0B. Therefore, we can write this as 90 degrees. So we can write root over A square, E square plus B square, because FB square. So if I drop this, FB square. Acha, okay, I am writing this. FB square plus f dashed b square equal to f dashed square. Okay, so we can write this as plus root over a square e square plus b square equal to distance between the foci 2AE whole square. So Also E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square equal to, in this case, we know E square equal to 1 minus A square B square by A square. So if I just calculate here, if we just calculate here, what we are getting, 2 into A square E square plus B square equal to 4 A square E square. Therefore, we are getting here E square equal to B square by A square, and we know that E square equal to 1 minus B square by A square. Therefore, we can write this as E square equal to 1 minus E square. 2 E square equal to 1. E equal to 1 by root 2. Let us do the next sum. The eccentricity of the ellipse with center at the origin is half and one of the directrix is x equal to 4. Then the equation of the ellipse. What to do? These all are easy and basic sums for our practice purpose, and whenever easy sums will be coming, so we should be prepared in such a way that we can prompt answer, but we should not expect that easy sums. But if it is a easy sum, इससे बेहतर क्या हो सकता है? So x equal to a by e equal to 4. Directrix is this. So a equal to 4 into half equal to 2, and b equal to 2 into root over 1 minus 1/4 equal to root 3. So equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. If we straight the equation, 3x square. This is easy sum. So just concept based question. So we can solve some of these. So it means that really, if we have the proper knowledge with us, if we have the proper theory with us, main thing I'll give the stress mainly on this calculus and conic section is a main part of the JEE examination. And if we can study these two portions with proper theories and calculative activities, I think we must get the good result. Let's do that exam. Let A and B be the semi-transverse and semi-conjugate axis of the hyperbola. Let's come to the case of hyperbola. Axis of the hyperbola whose eccentricity satisfies the equation 9e square minus 18e plus 5, and S is the focus, and x equal to 9 by 5 is the corresponding directrix of the hyperbola. Then a square minus b square. S is the focus. So S is the focus. Suppose here it is a focus S. A is 0. So AE equal to 5, which is the focus. And x equal to A by E. Therefore, we can say x equal to A by E is the directrix, corresponding directrix. So A by E equal to 9 by 5, which is the directrix. So from 1 and 2, if we multiply, we will get a square equal to 9, and if we divide, we will get b square e equal to 5 by 3. So b square equal to a square into e square minus 1 for hyperbola. For hyperbola, it is b square equal to a square into e square minus 1, and for ellipse, b square. Ellipse and hyperbola, similar type of equation, but one is plus and one is minus. It should not be confused. Okay, इसमें confusion नहीं होना चाहिए, जैसे one is a plus and one is a minus. Therefore, we can write this as b square equal to, from this we are getting the 16 if we put e and a. Therefore, a square minus b square equal to 9 minus 16 equal to minus 7. So, option number is what? A. Let us go to the next one. The locus of the midpoint of the chord In this way, everybody will cover the conic section, and next whatever we'll do, next time we will do the calculus in long class. Our next target should be calculus. In this way, we'll cover the one by one part and one by one class. Next, the locus of the midpoint of the chords of the hyperbola x square minus y square equal to 4. It is a rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola is what? Where a and b are same. And what is the eccentricity of the rectangular hyperbola? It is a fixed, and this is eccentricity of the hyperbola is root 2. We have to remember this. Okay, so which touch the parabola y square equal to 8x. So it has been some mistake in printing. Y square equal to 8x should be there. So let us do one thing. Middle point chord of the chord is obtained by t equal to s1 method. So t equal to s1 is x1 minus y1 equal to, tell me, you are going? Okay. So equal to x1 square minus y1 square. So y equal to x into x1 square x1 by y1 plus y1 square minus x1 square by y1. So we can say m equal to y equal to mx plus c form. Y equal to mx plus c form. So we can say m equal to x1 by y1 and c equal to y1 square minus x1 square by y1. Okay, so if we compare on comparison to the y equal to mx plus c form, so we can say c equal to a by m for the parabola. For this parabola, we can write this as, so y1 square minus x1 square by y1 equal to 2 by x1 by y1 equal to 2y1 by x1. Just it is nothing but a simple calculation. Now cross multiply and put x1 y1 equal to xy. So we are getting minus x1 cube plus y1 square x1 equal to 2y1 square. Therefore, we can write this as x1 cube equal to what is coming? y1 square into x1 minus 2. So the locus is x cube equal to y square. X cube equal to y square into x minus 2. Okay. So this three part, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Straight line is also important, but we are not doing the straight line because this not so much hard. But remember one thing, parabola, ellipse, hyperbola is real important and regularly coming in entrance examination paper. Let's go to the next one. Let us do the next one. The locus of the midpoint of the chord of the circle x square plus y square equal to 25, which is the tangent to the hyperbola. Locus of the middle point of the chord of the circle, it means locus of the middle point of the chord t equal to s1 and tangent, and we'll compare tangent to the hyperbola and locus of the middle point, it means t equal to s1, and we'll compare. That should be the target for us. Therefore, locus of the middle point of the chord, it means, one minute. This is coming to be HK. Therefore, let us find this. Let HK be the middle point of the, so equation of the chord is hx plus ky t equal to s1, h square plus k square, h square plus k square. So y equal to mx plus c, if we just break it, y equal to minus h by k, x plus h square plus k square divided by k. This is number one. Now this is the tangent to the, instead of comparison, we can get also the equation of the tangent to the hyperbola, and we can but there is some another way also. If it is the tangent to the conversely also, it will be more easier for us. If it will be the tangent to the hyperbola, then it will satisfy condition. Okay, so that is also possible. And condition satisfied means c square equal to a square m square minus b square for the hyperbola. That is also possible. That is a more easier way. More easier way to calculate. Therefore, so this is one is tangent to hyperbola x square by 9 minus y square by 16 equal to 1. Therefore, we can write this as c square equal to a square m square minus b square. Therefore, h square plus k square by k whole square equal to 9 into minus h by k whole square minus 16. H square m square minus b square. Therefore, we can write this here that h square plus k square whole square equal to 9h square minus 16k square. Just put the value instead of h and k. Just put the value and we are getting the result. Okay. So what is coming here? That is x square plus y square whole square minus 9x square plus 16y square equal to 0. Let's come to the next one. Consider the hyperbola h, x square minus 2y square equal to 4 times, right? Okay, just you can go for the type being. Okay. Take a shot. I'll see here it is. Let us do the next. Consider the hyperbola h, that is x square minus 2y square equal to 4. Let tangent at a point P 4 comma root 6 meets the x-axis at Q and the lateral rectum at R. F is the focus of H, which is nearest to the point P. Then you have to find the area of QFR. So for this type of sums, you have to draw the diagram. That's the most important. So let us proceed with this. So x square by 4, hyperbola is x square by 4 minus y square by 2 equal to 1. Therefore, E equal to 1 plus b square by a square. Therefore, we can write this as E equal to 1 plus root over of b square by a square is coming what? 2 by 4. That is coming root over of 3 by 2. This is eccentricity. Foci is plus minus root 6. Foci is given, for foci we got A is 0. So 2 into root over of 3 by 2, it means plus minus root 6 comma 0 foci, and suppose and the positive focus is coming root 6 comma 0 point. Equation of the tangent. Now let us draw one diagram. It will be better for us. Then suppose is this, and if we join this is the lateral rectum L dashed. If we join this and remember one thing, and it is coming, okay, and S2 we know focus root 6 comma 0. Now we can say equation of tangent at P4 comma root 6 is 4x minus 2 root 6y equal to 4, which means the x-axis at 1 comma 0. Therefore, and the lateral rectum. So first of all, let us do one thing. For lateral rectum, x coordinate to root 6. What is the y coordinate? Let us find. To get the point, we'll just put x equal to root 6. If we put x equal to root 6, then the point is coming to be okay, R, QFR. Okay, the point is coming to be R is coming to be root 6. If we put x equal to root 6, we are getting 4 root 6 minus 4 by 2 root 6, or x is root 6, 4 into root 6 minus 4 If we take 4 common, let's take the 4 common. Let's do it. If we take 4 common for our calculation, it will be better for us. 2 root 6. And we take 2 common and cancel. So area equal to half base into altitude. Base into altitude is what? This is the point. So this base into altitude is coming to be root 6 minus 1 into height. Altitude is 4 into root 6 minus 1 by 2 root 6. It is coming already. So this is coming to be what? Root 6 minus 1 whole square, and 2 and 4 is getting cancelled. So final answer just minus 2. Just simple calculate and check. And remember one thing, this is a hyperbola, which also very important. It means parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circle. These 4 chapters are very important because 30 to 37% marks are generally in last 3 years. If we analyze, question came. So we can expect some number of sums from these chapters. Let us go to the next one. A hyperbola through the foci of the ellipse and its transverse and conjugate axis coincide with the major and minor axis of the ellipse respectively, and the product of the eccentricity is 1. Then the equation 2021 JEE MAIN sum. Let us do one thing. What to do? A hyperbola through the foci of the ellipse and its transverse axis and conjugate axis as a coincide with the major and minor axis of respectively. If the product of the eccentricities is 1, first of all, we have to get the eccentricity of the ellipse. So suppose E1 is the eccentricity. So 1 minus 16 by 25, that is coming to be 3 by 5. E1. Now coordinate of the foci are AE0 and minus AE0. It means foci are 30 foci, or somebody tell foci 30 and minus 30. So the equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, because its major axis and minor axis coincide with the transverse and conjugate axis of the hyperbola. So eccentricity of the hyperbola is, since E1 is 3 by 5, eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5 by 3. E2 equal to 5 by 3. It passes to the point 3, 0. Therefore, we can write 9 by a square plus 0 equal to 1. So a square equal to 9, and b square equal to a square into E2 square minus 1. We know from this we can get b also. 25 by 9 minus 1 equal to 16. So the hyperbola is, so the equation of the hyperbola is x square by 9 minus y square by 16 equal to 1. Let us go to the next one. यहाँ दादा थोड़ा सा जल दीजिए तो okay. So these are next one. I like the fourth. A line parallel to the straight line 2x minus y equal to 0 is a tangent to the, a line parallel to the straight line is a tangent to the hyperbola, is a tangent to the hyperbola at the point x1 y1. And what is the thing? The given equation of the hyperbola is x square by 4 minus y square by 2 equal to 1, we know. And the equation of the straight line is 2x minus y equal to 0. equation of the tangent at x1 y1 is x1 by 2, the hyperbola is y1 by, these are very basic sum. There are some sums which are coming very basic, and there are some sums which are coming just calculation. And for concept, everyone, that for JEE main concept, this is just simple theory you have to study, and details theory is important for here. And for whenever we'll solve the advanced question, we need some comprehensive theories. Okay everyone, so let us proceed. What is coming here? So just if we calculate x1 minus 2y1 equal to minus 4 equal to 0, which is the parallel to 2x minus y equal to 0. So x1 by 2y1 equal to 2. So x1 equal to 4y1. Number 1. Now the point x1 y1 lying on the hyperbola x square by 4 plus y square by minus y square by 2 equal to 1. Therefore x1 square by 4 minus y1 square by 2 minus 1 equal to 0. So solving this, we are getting solving these two equations, we are getting 16y1 square by 4 minus y1 square by 2 equal to 1. Therefore we are getting here y1 equal to plus minus root over 2 by 7, and just put the y1 here in x1 equal to 4y1, just put y1 in x1 equal to 4y1. We are getting here x1 equal to plus minus root over of 32 by 7. So therefore x1 square, what is the question? x1 square plus 5y1 square equal to 32 by 7 plus 5 into 2 by 7, that is coming to be 32 plus 10 by 7, that is 42 by 7 equal to 6. Answer is coming to be 6 here. So the option number is A. Next, and here to solve the sum very prompt. Next sum, for some theta belongs to 0 to pi by 2, if the eccentricity of the hyperbola is x square minus y square 6 square theta equal to 10 is root 5 times the eccentricity of the hyperbola x square 6 square theta plus y square equal to 5, then the length of the lateral spectrum of the ellipse. What to do? First of all, the equation of the hyperbola is x square minus y square 6 square theta. What we done here? So if I write this directly, x square by 10 plus minus y square by 10 cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, and ellipse x square by 5 cos square theta plus y square by 5 equal to 1. So eccentricity is the number 1, this is the number 2. So eccentricity of the hyperbola is root over 1 plus b square by a square, so 10 cos square theta by a square 10. So 1 plus cos square theta. And eccentricity of the ellipse is 1 minus 5 cos square theta by 5, that is root over 1 minus cos square theta. So we are getting here 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta. Okay, I am writing as cos square theta. So given that eccentricity of the ellipse is root 5 times, eccentricity of the hyperbola is root 5 times the eccentricity of the ellipse, therefore equal to 5 into, therefore 1 plus cos square theta equal to 5 into 1 minus cos square theta. So 6 cos square theta equal to 4. Directly I am doing cos square theta equal to 2/3. So length of the lateral spectrum LL dashed equal to 2 b square by a 2 into 5 cos square theta by a root 5. So 10 into 2/3 by root 5, that is 4/3 root 5. Let us go to the next one. Let P be a point on the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 if the normal to it at P intersect the x-axis at 9, 0 and E is the eccentricity, then the ordered pair a square is this. If P be a point on the hyperbola, if the normal to it at P intersect the x-axis at 9, 0, it means if normal to it at P intersect the x-axis at a 9, 0 and E be the eccentricity, then the ordered pair a square is square. What to be done here? The equation of the hyperbola is x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. It lies on P. When P is satisfying this, P is 3, 3. So it is satisfying 9 by a square minus 9 by b square equal to 1. Therefore, the equation of the normal is then y minus y1 equal to minus dx dy minus a square by b square into x minus x1. Therefore, we can write this as a square into x minus 3 plus b square into y minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, we can say here that we are seeing 9 by these two. We are seeing these two, this and this, satisfy, and we have to get A and B directly. So we can write here, this is passing through the point, it intersects the x-axis at 9, 0. So instead of x and y, put 9, 0. So if we put the value 9, 0, we are getting a square into 6 plus b square into minus 3 equal to 0. 9, 0. So 6a square, so 2a square equal to b square. We got it, and from this 9a square, this from this, let us solve it. Therefore, we are getting 9 by a square minus 9 by 2a square equal to 1. So a square equal to what? A square equal to 9 by 2, and accordingly 2a square equal to b square. So b square equal to 9. So e square equal to a square plus b square by a square, that is equal to 3. Therefore, a square comma e square is coming to be 9 by 2 comma 3. So everyone, this parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, more and more sums you have to solve, and let's do one more sum. So conic section part 1 will finish today, and conic section part 2 we will do in the next time, and next class day after tomorrow I'll take the class on the calculus. It will be the class on the calculus. So if y equal to mx plus c is a common tangent to the hyperbola x square by 100 plus minus y square by 64 equal to 1 and the circle, then which one is true? What can be done? It's a concept question. So what can be done? Y equal to mx plus c is the common tangent to the hyperbola and the ellipse. Therefore, we can write x square by 100 minus y square by 64 equal to 1 and x square plus y square equal to 36. Therefore, we can say c square equal to a square m square minus b square for the ellipse, and for the hyperbola, and for the ellipse c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So c square equal to 36 m square plus 36. So we can write 100 m square minus 64 equal to 36 m square plus 36. So what is there? M 64 m square equal to 100. So we can write m equal to plus minus 10 by 8. 10 by 8. So e square equal to 36 into 1 plus 100 by 64. So this is coming 36 into 1, 64 by 64. So 3, 164 by this. Therefore, just calculate what is coming. 34, 62, 169. So this is coming 369 by 4. If we divide by 32. So 4c square equal to 369. So one more sum. If a hyperbola passes through the point 10, 16 and it has vertices plus minus 6, 0, then equation of the normal to it at P. What to be done? The vertices of the given hyperbola is plus minus 6, 0. So let us do one thing. If the hyperbola passes through P, let's draw one hyperbola. It is passing through the point P, 10, 16. This is the point P and has the vertices plus minus 6, 0 and equation of the normal to at P. This is the P. Very basic sum, everybody. Therefore, the vertices are plus minus 6, 0 and A equal to 6 here. A equal to 6, therefore the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Since the hyperbola passes through the point P, therefore 100 by 36 minus 256 by b square equal to 1. So b square equal to 144. Therefore the hyperbola is x square by 36 minus y square by 144 equal to 1. Therefore, and the equation of the normal is, we know a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 equal to a square plus b square. We have to remember the formulas, otherwise we cannot proceed, because in case of hyperbola and ellipse, their formulas are similar, but they differ by the plus minus. Therefore, we can write this as 36x by 10 plus 144y by 16 equal to 36 plus 144, that is 180. So cancellation with the value, we are getting 2x plus 5y equal to 100. So this is the conic 1, conic section 1. Next we'll do the conic section 2, where we'll include again parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, as well as some important questions. But remember one thing, in JEE examination you have to study the theoretical part, because questions are not very hard. Questions are coming from concept, and concept question is everybody, concept question is coming by just you can solve the concept question through only theoretical part only, and we have to good the result. हम लोग को अच्छा result करना चाहिए, and अच्छा result के लिए just two things you have to keep in mind. तुमको दो चीज तुमको याद रखना पड़ेगा. One is the calculus and one is the conic section. These two will give us the good rank in the entrance examination. So this is the conic section number 1 which you have done, and next we'll do the conic section 2, and next time starting the calculus. Okay, ready? So I'm leaving, and everyone अच्छे से पढ़ो, study well.